Having picked up the PowerPlan referrals, remember when you're looking at referrals, this gives you current referrals, this gives you future referrals, and when there's a tick, it gives you both current and future referrals. So once picked up, the team can see the referral details and use these to create an inpatient encounter for the patient and book the appointment for the patient to attend at BDU. So I'm looking at this future referral. So it's a day case, battle day unit, gastroenterology. Date of onset for the referral is the 9th of the 2nd for 4 weeks, and there's 3 doses. Okay. So I'm going to open that patient's record. So when I go to the patient's EPR record in PowerChart, click on Orders Care Plan, there is the PowerPlan. If I click on Referral, so that's the one that's been ordered for the 9th of the 2nd. The first dose is also to be delivered on the 9th of the 2nd. Second dose is to be delivered on the 9th of the 3rd. And the third dose is to be given on the 6th of April. So in order to add an encounter and schedule those, I will need to go to Scheduling Appointment Book. So with the Appointments tab selected, we're going to type BDU, treatment, elective. We're going to select battle day unit, and we're going to enter the patient's name. So I'm going to click on here and search for the patient, confirming I've got the correct patient. I'm going to click on Add Encounter. So it's asked, is this a waiting list encounter, which it is. I'm going to make sure I select their current encounter at the top and then click on OK. And then I'm going to fill in the missing fields. So it requires eligibility check. For training purposes, I'm going to say no, and the fact that they are NHS. So source of referral is a consultant. Intended management is no overnight stay. For training purposes, I'm going to say they were referred by a gastro consultant. And that they will be managed whilst they're on the ward by that same consultant. So to decide to mid date was the 30th. Intended procedure is treatment. RTT, as always, is 98. Building would be Royal Berkshire. And they're coming into the Battle Day unit. So we cannot obtain their next kin at the moment. So I'm now going to click on OK. And click here. I'm now going to click on Move, and what I've got to select is what they're coming in for, which is double click here, schedule from, I'm going to say waiting list, visit type will be day case, priority will be routine, procedure, and and performing location, battle day unit. At this point, I'm going to click on recur. So we want it to reoccur every 4 weeks. 4 weeks, but we only want it to occur on a Monday. So let's deselect these other days. And it's going to start on the 9th of the 6th, and it's going to occur on 3 occasions. So now we're going to click on OK. So first things first, we're going to schedule the first one. So I'm going to select 8:30 on the 9th of February and schedule. And click OK. I'm now going to open up these other dates and select that one. And you'll notice it's already moved to the 9th of March. So I'm going to schedule that one too. And then I'm going to open up the last one. And you'll notice it's automatically moved to the 6th of April. For training purposes, I'm going to continue to schedule this one. Now, once all have been scheduled, because they've all got red books, I'm going to click on confirm. In the screen that occurs, first things first, click here, hold the shift button to select all of those appointments. Then you select the location. So it's battle day unit. And then at the bottom of that screen, click on OK. Now for each of those appointment dates, you are going to be asked to put in a date. So the first one is on the 9th of February. And the time I want the person to come in for training purposes, I'm going to say 07:30 and click OK. It's then going to ask for the second date, which will be on the 9th of March, again 07:30, click OK, and the last one will be on the 6th of April. And again 07:30, and then click OK. And now when you go to each of those dates, you'll see the patient is booked.